I'm finally a BTech honors student in the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering at IIT Madras. So, I chose my department mainly based on two reasons. One was that my JEE advanced rank was within this range where I could choose this program, and another reason was that I was quite keen about mechanical engineering, and I did some research on materials engineering before joining, and it seemed close to mechanical engineering, and I liked the environment at IIT Madras, and I wanted to be here. So I decided to apply for materials engineering at IIT Madras. Now, some of the different specializations available at our department, it's quite difficult to point it out specifically because materials are everywhere, so you could essentially specialize in everything. But some to point out some of the key areas, you could specialize in materials synthesis, materials design, materials characterization, which is essentially just listing or identifying everything about a material. So these are some possibilities, and these are applicable to a wide variety of areas like energy, defense, aerospace, etc. Now, some of my academic achievements. So, I was a recipient of the IIT Madras Young Research Fellowship Award in my third year at IIT Madras, and this allowed me to kind of do a research project under a professor. It could have been an interdisciplinary project, but I worked in my own department, and I worked for during my third year under one of our professors on hypersonic materials, ceramics for ultra high temperature applications, namely hypersonics. So I was also awarded the DAAD's working internships in science and engineering, which is DAAD-wise award, and just after my third year. So during the summer vacation after my third year, I was able to spend 2 months in Germany at the University of Cologne, working under Professor Dr. Sanjay Mathur, and I was working on precursor derived ceramics. So that was a very interesting opportunity for me. And now, what are some of the core courses I enjoyed in my department? So I enjoyed most of the courses in my department. There are very few that I can name that I did not enjoy, but some were a bit more interesting, more exciting. I would say additive manufacturing was something I was very interested in. I loved welding processes, I loved advanced powder processing, to name a few. There are far more. So now, one of the common misconceptions about the metallurgical and materials engineering department, this is something I made before I joined here. I thought it would be highly theoretical, and it's true to some extent, but that's not what materials engineering is all about. There's a lot of math that can be involved. There's a lot of numerical problems you can do. There's a lot of simulations, designs you can run, and now with AI out here, there's a whole new category of material science called materials informatics. So anyone who's interested in computational work or with artificial intelligence can also be very happy in our department. So there's something for everyone. And about the internship and project opportunities available for students in our department, there's a lot because, like I said earlier, you can specialize in anything. So you can work almost anywhere. So coming to me, I worked in the industry in ceramics. I worked in a lab that deals mainly with ceramics, and I worked in a lab that is a chemical lab and deals mainly with polymers and other chemicals. So even I have worked in different areas. So there's a lot of opportunities. You just need to watch out for it, and it should be fairly easy if you actually ask your professors for help. Now, some advice. So if you are considering materials engineering at IIT Madras, it's a very relaxed course. The professors are all very helpful. So it gives you a lot of time to work on other skills if you need to, or you can be like me and just work on materials engineering, and that helps you out too. Um, Overall, there's not much to be said. If you are going to study or if you are interested in the subject, it should work on that. Of course, do your initial research before choosing the program, because you don't want to be stuck in something that you're not interested in. Now, the program does offer exchange opportunities during semesters, so semesters are possible. Of course, I have not been on a semester exchange, but it is possible. Materials engineering is pretty common outside of India. It's there in a lot of universities. So you should be able to easily achieve a semester exchange program at any leading university outside India as well. So that's it. Thank you.